Assalamualaikum. I am Sadia Jui, guide number 200507008. I am a student in BS Math. My subject is chemistry. My topic is radioactivity. First of all, radioactivity. Radioactivity refers to spontaneous emissions of particles or high energy electromagnetic radiations from the nuclei of unstable atoms. This occurs due to discretion of the atomic nucleus. Discovery of radioactivity. In 1898, a French scientist, Antonio Henri Becquerel, discovered the ability of uranium to create a picture when exposed to light. Later, the husband and wife team of Perry and Mary. Importance of radioactivity. Radioactivity has an importance mostly when it comes to medicines, but is important for science in general. In medicine, radiation is used as a way of finding tumors within the body, and then it is used to destroy them. However, in the realm of science, radiation can also be used to determine the age of the earth as well as the universe itself. Dangers of radioactivity. Radioactivity can damage cells, can cause burns, diarrhea, vomiting, infertility, migraine, and death. A high amount of radioactivity can destroy many cells that the body cannot replace immediately because after being inhaled or ingested the particles. Advantages and disadvantages of radioactivity. Radioactivity does have a medical advantages. It is used for treatment of cancer patient to reduce or deplete tumor. Any other advantages is that it kill microbles and permit carbon dating to take place. A disadvantages of radioactivity is that using it as an it as a medical treatment does make the reproducing active reproductive organs fragile. Our exposures does have negative effect of your health. Types of radioactivity. The types of radioactive are alpha, beta, and gamma, which are classified according to the charge if the electromagnetic ray they give off. Alpha ray carry a positive charge, beta ray carry a negative charge, and gamma ray are neutral. Isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of any elements which have the same proton number but different nuclear number. Some isotopes are referred to as stable or other as unstable or radioactivity. Radioisotopes. Radioisotopes are unstable isotopes which decay and give out radioactive emissions. Radioisotopes are neutrally occurring or artificially produced. Artificial radioisotopes can be produced when contained nuclides are bombarded by high energy particles. Properties of radioisotopes emits radioactive radiations. Radioactive radiations can kill cells. Radioactive radiations have different penetrating ability with material of different thickness and density etc. Artificial radioactivity. Example, when a nucleus of magnesium 24 is bombarded by neutrons, sodium 24 can be produced. Applications of radioisotopes. Medicines, agriculture, industries, etc. Medicine. To treat any our active thyroid gland and contain kinds of thyroid cancer by using sodium iodine labeled and radioactive iodine. Then to detect and treat brain tumor using phosphorus 24. To study the circulations of iron in the blood using iron 59. Agriculture. To be used or treasured in the effectiveness of fertilizer using nitrogen 50 and phosphorus 24. To iodine, the induced genetic mutations in the plant in order to produce a better strain which has higher resistance against pests and diseases. Pests can be killed using radioactive ray ESP, using gamma ray. Industries. Industries have many use of radioactivities, reactors and beta particles and sheets materials, etc. The mechanism is also used to ensure the containers such as cans, food packages and filled to be specific amount. Allah Hafiz.